Today we are decorating my entryway, and this is one of the items that I bought this year. It's from the range store and it was less than £10, and I fixed it with command hooks. I will be making it more slanted. One side will be longer than the other, and these are the items that I'm going to be using to embellish it. I already had majority of the items, but this one is new from either TK Maxx or HomeSense, only $3.99 for 4 of them. And I also made this new painting, and in a minute I'm going to show you how. I made sure that it was very sparkly for Christmas season, and I also had to make sure the color coordinated perfectly.
Barely 7 weeks, but the world's longest tease. You said you've never felt this way before. My days are black and white. Now when I'm alone at night, all I want is your name on my door. Don't back down. You know what we have found. I'm begging you, color me in. Let me be yours.
I started adding the ornaments while it was over the mirror, then I decided not to. For example, this bow as well as dangling baubles made it not slanted anymore. Both sides were equal and I was not happy with that. These are the baubles that I've been using for the last 3 years since I bought this mirror from Glam, and they are completely different from each other. At the end of the video I will be showing you how my entryway looked like in 2021 as well as 2022, and I even have 2019 for you as well, which was a different color scheme. I'm using wire ties that I bought from a dollar store in Japan to secure all the ornaments, and I'm also going to be using beaded garland that I bought from, I believe, Poundland. Cannot be sure, either Poundland or Wilkinson, and I am just tying a knot on the top. I was determined not to use any hot glue because I dismantle and then I rearrange it for the following year.
For you, you can trust that to be true. Yeah, I wish you the merriest Christmas.
I will dangle 3 of these ornaments from the sides, and I will also use these mini ones in clusters form into 3s, and I will embellish it a little bit more, then I'll show you the end result. Before the end result, obviously we need to clean all the mess I created with glitter and snow, fake snow. I will also dust as well.
Sometimes I wonder if you're near or off yonder, though I couldn't tell you why. But wherever
Majority of my ornaments are from HomeSense, and if you've been with me for a while, you've seen already these pink items, and this little beauty is from Glam. I bought it last year, and it is beautiful sheen, pinkish iridescent, coordinates perfectly with my mirror, which is also from Glam. And here's the reveal.
La 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 la, oh oh oh. La 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 la, oh oh oh. La da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But This is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh.
This strip light is new from Amazon, and let me know what you think of it in the comment box below.
I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights.
I really love how my garland turned out, slanted with dangly ornaments, and this was a DIY from a couple of years ago. If you've been with me again, you would have remembered. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Shule, and I love decorating my home, organizing, cleaning. So if it's something that you like to watch, I would love to have you as part of my family. You can change the color, and I keep turning on and off to see whether I like it or not. I'm not so sure really. But one thing I'm definitely sure of is I love how this entryway turned out to be. It's so welcoming, and I cannot wait for my sons to come and see this beautiful entryway. Let me show you and remind you how mine looked like last year with a hula hoop, and this was in 2020, and this was 2019 before I bought the pink mirror. Thank you so much for staying till the end with me. I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.